I think we have to release the balloons. अरे इधर 6 मतलब 6.
हमारे यहाँ पे 6 मतलब 9. आयुष
अभी तक तो हमने फॉर्मेशंस वगैरह सब किया नहीं था.
She just dropped her bangle into her chai.
मुझे जाना है फोन लेने. फोन रहा है मतलब फोन रहा है लाखों रुपएचा.
Hi guys, we are in Udaipur. We're here for Janvi's wedding. आधे लोग तो दिखेंगे नहीं क्योंकि पीछे बैठे हैं. But right now we've reached Holy Mont, which is the hotel जहाँ पे शादी हो रही है. And it's crazy. Like we are going by buggy. You can't walk to your room. Wow, I don't think you'll be able to see it in the dark. Bride का भी मैसेज आया है कि हमें 5 मिनट में चिल करने जाना है. But it's like this. Wow.
That's beautiful.
Oh my god. Oh, 2 on 1. Oh my god. What is this bathroom? तरुण इतना बड़ा लिविंग रूम है in Dubai.
अरे मुंबई में तो इसको 1 BHK 2 BHK से बेच देंगे.
2 BHK minimum. We have a walk-in wardrobe, full-length mirror, shower दिखते हैं.
Is there a tub?
No, I think this is going to be like a
Yeah.
just a window. His and hers dressing stations.
And there is a hamper.
Yes.
That
This is our bride. I'm vlogging by the way. And oh my god, look at those eyes. Okay, I want to show the bangle stack. Can you explain ये मतलब क्या क्या है कुछ?
So this I got from Amama Jewels and this I got from like a very local old shop from Ajmer.
Okay.
These two karas.
हाँ.
And this
So is
my
this like
outfit.
wow, Katrina Kaif part 2?
Yes, and Rimple and Harpreet.
Ooh la la, looking pretty. How are you so energetic, bro?
I am energetic because it's my wedding and
Yeah,
I'm on
adrenaline.
fire.
हाँ.
आप लोग जा सकते हो. हाँ जी.
We are at the Mehendi Carnival and अभी जानवी and आयुष की एंट्री होने वाली है. So we are waiting for the rest of our friends. हम लोग तो आके खा चुके हैं. The decor is epic. हमें balloons दे दिए. I think we have to release the balloons when they enter. I'm not sure.
ये उड़ता है.
दूसरा कमर पे चाहिए नहीं तो माइनस कर दूंगा. 5 कमर पे रखो हाथ. 5 4 3 2 1 गो. आवाज कम आ रही थी. आवाज आ रही थी. अरे साड़ी इंटैक्ट होना चाहिए. तो साड़ी उतरेगी तो क्या मतलब. तुम उतरो नीचे. अरे हाँ.
Getting my mehendi done. We just got done with संगीत practice. अभी तक तो हमने formations वगैरह सब किया नहीं था. Thankfully now we are all done. काय झालं? हाँ. So now we finally done with all the formations. I think everyone is killing it. But अभी हम लोग आए हैं यहाँ पे. This is such a cute चाय का अड्डा. यहाँ पे सिर्फ चाय नहीं मिलता. Show you all what all we get here. There is hot coffee. There is a tea station. There's a cold coffee. What did you get?
Chai.
Chai. Thank you. By the way, यहाँ पे चाय crazy है.
ये भी के देख.
मैंने कल 3 पिए रात को. Oh my god.
3 वाजता आलो मी, पण दुसऱ्यांसाठी थांबलो होतो मी.
तुझे ढूंढने के लिए सर्च पार्टी निकली थी.
हाँ हम सर्च पार्टी थे. Anyway, show them what all is there. I was just in the middle of.
Yes, this is
This काय?
Oh, this is kimchi.
आम्हाला स्टार्टिंगला ओढण्या दिल्या होत्या. शाहू म्हणतो त्या उरलेल्या ओढण्यावर लावल्यात.
गुड डे.
बघ बिस्किटवाला आला. And we also have a Maggie station over there.
Saying it's on purpose.
Give me content now, na? Now it's rolling.
She just dropped her bangle into a chai.
Who's she?
Ankita. And see, the rest of the bangles are there. She's gone to clean it. And she's just like, oh my god, I'm so funny. Here she is.
किती काय?
कितने लोग इन दोनों से प्यार करते, दोनों हाथ ऊपर करो. Stop. Put it on bola now.
मस्त जोक मारत या हसरे अंकल
आज इस स्टेज पे कैसे डांस करना है ये मैं तुमको नहीं बताऊंगी. तो जाओ और खेलो. मेरा मतलब है नाचो. हारो तो हारो, इज्जत मत उतारो. कम ऑन बॉयज. कितनी ओरिजिनल स्पीच.
Let's go, let's go.
Currently at Janvi's Haldi, it is 2:30 and bride अभी तक आई नहीं है. I love this. 11 का टाइम देते हैं and 2-3 बजे सब चालू होता है. But I have to show you one thing. And it's basically like सब हमारे बचपन का stuff all placed here. Concept is they've given all of us these goodie bags with a few things that were already like complimentary, and you can use the whole station to fill it up with whatever snacks you want. So I got these like chocolate cones. I stole all of the lychee, whatever you call it, jellies. I absolutely love these so much. I'm gonna go back to the room, refrigerate them, and then have it. Gold coins and whatnot. How are you feeling, guys?
Must last day.
Lovely. Arey yaar, that's not nice. That's
Yeah.
not lovely.
For me and Shivani, this wedding is very interesting because we're both Maharashtrians and हमारे इधर 6 मतलब 6.
हमारे यहाँ पे 6 मतलब 9.
Yeah, and we're seeing, we're
अगर
witnessing
7
it.
बजे आ गए तो चमत्कार.
Like yesterday, Sangeet was supposed to start at 7 p.m. It started at 11 p.m. Like that. तब तक तो I think हमारे गेस्ट चले जाते हैं.
I was actually thinking इनके मतलब कुछ गेस्ट शायद चले जाएंगे.
Yeah.
And then only the few close ones will remain. But
नहीं
people
जब
were
नींद
there.
आती है तब जाते हैं.
But people were there.
बैठे रहेंगे.
They
The
end up.
party was on till like 5 a.m.
Yeah.
हम खुद सब 5-5:30 सोए. Today also we were supposed to be here
11.
at 11. Then we got a message on the group saying कि 1 बजे तक आ जाओ. Bride की entry 1:30 को है.
It's 3.
It's 2:50.
Too far.
Yeah.
And the bride hasn't come yet.
was 6 all. It was 6 all. It was 6 all. नहीं किसी के लिए तो ये भी 6 पे थे, ये भी 6 पे थे. Shoulders, head, shoulders, dance, 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 head, shoulders, dance, head, shoulders, dance, head, shoulders, dance. Ayush.
We have come to Janvi's house to give her our SPGM gift. कहाँ पे? Aishu's brought it.
It says bride on her buggy.
Oh, nice. Your mom said she's here. And यहाँ पे झगड़े भी हो रहे कि मम्मी को पता होगा किधर है. She's right. आगे. Wow, that's a beautiful bride.
You guys had something?
भाई हम जब से उठते
भाई हमें और क्या काम है? खाना पीना सोना.
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you.
देखो तो
खोलना पड़ेगा.
Wait, 1 second. Oh, can you guess what it is?
या
हाँ
क्या बोले और पर्स
Oh.
Strong company.
I thought she knew the
Read it out.
जोर से पढ़
प्यार में जुनून है पर दोस्ती में सुकून है.
Yeah.
Absolutely right.
किसने लिखा ये?
ये शाम ने लिखा.
ये ले ले
I think so.
श्रावणी का देवर.
नहीं पुल इट आउट
देवर.
कैसे भाई
हाँ देव पति है मेरा वो. पति का छोटा भाई है देवर.
God, I love it. This is amazing.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yes, Jaipur-based brand. She makes only one piece. So this is the piece you will only have in this entire world.
Yes.
And this all is hand painted.
Is this your find?
Yes. We trusted her with the gift.
It is all hand painted.
Open it up.
And you just have to high maintenance है because it is handmade. तो उन्होंने care instructions वगैरह भी दिए.
Oh, it's customized. Wow, guys, I love it. I absolutely love it. Thank you.
It has care note also.
इसके अंदर
हाँ मतलब इसको bang bang मत करना.
These two are like oh.
बैंग बैंग
मार्केटिंग मैनेजर काम है.
Short launch in the annual session. That's fine.
Yay!
Who just gave me his Bhagavad Gita?
What? We are outside the bride's room क्योंकि first look करना है friends के साथ and हमें लगा हम बहुत late है but हम ही है. So अभी अंदर जाना मना है ना?
You see all these people here? They all are standing outside like bouncers like this, and they're like, you are not allowed inside.
मेरा दिल कहाँ ना मेरा दिल किताबों को पहले
नहीं. He doesn't seem like a crier. Karan, can you take your height is nice.
Nicer. I have a very nice height.
Just taking everyone's shoulders. We are waiting for the bride. तेरा phone बज रहा है.
जल्दी में हम
Spin.
जानवी के रिएक्शन
उसकी शादी
BTS.
क्या डेकोरेशन कह रहे देख.
इसी झूमर के नीचे मिलेगी शांति प्रिया की लाश.
नहीं हमें नीचे जाना है. फोन लेने फोन रहा है मतलब फोन रहा है लाखों रुपए का. 1.25 लाखाचा फोन आहे अहो नीचे जाना है
So downstairs we were doing this whole Shanti Priya thing, and then Shahu started screaming कि मेरा phone रह गया है, and he said buggy घुमाओ, and the buggy stopped and पूरे property के lights चले गए.
निर्लज्ज माणसं आहेत सगळी वरती निघाले निर्लज्ज बुडे असं नाही करायचं ते अतिशय चुकीचं आहे शिवानी
No, funny. Shahu is like, "अहो बग्गी घुमाओ."
बग्गी पादली बंद
हम आ गए हैं वापस रूम में. Took a shower and I've changed into an oversized t-shirt and joggers. अभी 2 बज रहे हैं. So now we're gonna go to the girls' room and we're gonna chill there for a couple of hours and then हम फेरे देखने जाएंगे. यहाँ पे बहुत ठंड है. By बहुत I mean 15 degrees. But for anyone who lives in Mumbai, Thane and now Dubai, you know that this is very cold. So जैकेट वैकेट पहन के जाएंगे, सॉक्स पहन के जाएंगे, बट बहुत मज़ा आया. आई थिंक दिस वॉज द ग्रैंडेस्ट ब्राइडल एंड ग्रूम वाली एंट्री दैट आई हैव एवर सीन इन माई लाइफ. इट फेल्ट लाइक आई वॉज वॉचिंग, आई डोंट नो, लाइक ऐश्वर्या राय एंटर फॉर हर वेडिंग और समथिंग. कुछ तो ऐसे जोधा अकबर का कैसे सेट होता है. इट वॉज लाइक अ बॉलीवुड मूवी. क्रेजी था, मज़ा आ गया. अभी जाएंगे वापस, so I'll show you guys the फेरे and then tomorrow we go to another destination. Guys, 3:42 हो गया है and हम यहाँ पे आए थे because everyone said we are going to chill, and now I'm going to show you the situation. He has just woken up because he heard me vlogging but he was asleep. यहाँ पे सब सो गए. ये देखो, सिर्फ ये जागा है मेरे साथ and अंकिता है वॉशरूम में, बाकी सब सो गए. जाना है. जानवी ने हमें बताया कि she had dinner at 3 AM she finished her dinner. So पता नहीं अभी 4 बजे एक्चुअली चालू होगा कि नहीं. It's 3:30. I am talking to the camera girl. This is proof that you are awake with us. Yes. So we're going to go at 4 anyway, क्योंकि ये चीज़ तो मुहूर्त से होगी ना, ये थोड़ी इतनी डिले होगी. So we're going to see you at the mandap after we succeed in waking these people up. We have made it. Guys, हम सबको घंटी दी है and it says ring the bell as they take each sacred round and
अक्षता टाका
ते दाखव जरा. फुलं आहेत फुलं. You and Karan are dressed so differently. It's crazy. Good morning.
Yes, guys are so cute.
राइट. और आपको हाथ से छूना.
So we have finally checked out of Holy Mont and अभी हम आ गए हैं हमारे next hotel पे where we're going to be for the next 2 nights. This is Manuscript in the middle of Udaipur, like it's in the heart of the old city and it's so beautiful. I'm going to take you on a tour. So enter करते ही यहाँ पे we have a very nice full length mirror, a beautiful chandelier. It's quite nice actually. Very unique. I've never seen anything like this. We have a lot of space here. Nice rainfall shower. Really nice vanity lights. So I'll be able to get ready. Yeah. Yeah. I've never seen this in any other hotel. This is the bed area. We have like a very nice seating area. And ये मेरा favorite part है. ये जो cupboard का situation है. So smartly they've hidden the aircon here, so we can't see it. अभी हम लोग फटाफट खाना मंगाने वाले हैं because we are hungry. देखते हैं what the pricing is like, otherwise we'll head out. So we are on the terrace of our hotel and this is our view. अभी तो lights बंद हो गए, but that's the city palace. And can I just tell you, the food here is unbelievable.
क्या स्मेल आ रहा है?
बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा है. खाना खाते हैं. See you later. Hi guys, welcome to the next day. आज हम लोग काफ़ी लेट उठे. We needed to catch up on sleep. I like to say that we were in like a sleep deficit for the last 4-5 days. And यहाँ पे look at the hotel. It is so beautiful. It is our last day here. Tomorrow we fly back. तो आज ऐसे कुछ agenda नहीं है. We will probably just go around the city, see if there's some shopping that we can do. I really want to get nice jhumkas. I'm wearing these earrings, Mihika ke hai, but काफ़ी सुंदर है. I want to get stuff like this, maybe a bag or something, and check out my outfit of the day. I'm wearing Biba. बहुत ही सुंदर सा एक ड्रेस है अंदर, and then we have this jacket on top. For my chuda, I've accessorized it with one more kangan. Honestly, this was a kangan that I was supposed to wear for my Sangeet. And if you know this story, मुझे मेरी संगीत की ज्वेलरी एक्चुअली उस दिन मिली ही नहीं बिकॉज आई केप्ट इट इन अ वेरी सेफ स्पॉट एंड देन फॉरगॉट अबाउट इट. बट एनीवे, आई एम यूजिंग इट नाउ. आई थिंक इट लुक्स क्वाइट नाइस एंड केप्ट माई मेकअप फेली सिंपल. देखते अभी पहले तो खाना खाने जाना है एंड देन वी विल प्रॉब्ली हेड टू लेक पिचोला फॉर अ सनडाउनर एंड देन टुमारो मॉर्निंग वी आर गोइंग टू गो टू अ मंदिर ओवर हियर. सो दैट्स द प्लान. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू क्विकली गेट आउट ऑफ हियर बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी 2:30. वी हैव सो मच टू. लाइक हम जब से आए हैं मैं देसी कपड़ों में ही हूँ. ये थोड़ा इंडो वेस्टर्न है एंड तरुण हैज बिन ओनली इन वेस्टर्न कपड़े.
पहले मैं 4-5 दिन पहले.
हाँ, ऑल द बॉयज आर जस्ट इन शर्ट पैंट्स एंड वी गर्ल्स हैव बिन लाइक इन कुर्ताज एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस प्रिटी स्टफ. एक्चुअली दुबई में पहनने नहीं मिलता है. Got our pancake. It actually is more like a crepe, which I don't mind at all because I like crepes. We've got bananas and some maple syrup on the side. It looks too good and I think इस पे almond shavings डाले. Oh nice. Have reached Lake Pichola Hotel. वैसे उदयपुर इज प्रिटी क्या बोलते हैं, पेडेस्ट्रियन फ्रेंडली तो नहीं बोल सकते बट इट्स ईजी टू वॉक फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू द अदर इवन दो रोड्स आर वेरी वेरी नैरो. वाओ, इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. सो लेक पिचोला होटल इज़ नोन फॉर इट्स ब्यूटिफुल सनसेट बाय द लेक. इसके लिए हम डायरेक्ट वो कैफ़े से यहाँ आए हैं. मे बी विल जस्ट ग्रैब सम चाय हियर. लेट्स सी. This is such a beautiful spot. You can't literally see the sunset because it's happening on the other side. But we found this super cute cabana where we're just sitting. Look at the dome. Super pretty. यहाँ पे you can just sit, take pictures. I've actually seen a lot of people take pictures here, which is why मुझे आना था. But यहाँ पे बैठ के इतना शांत लग रहा है. I think that is one thing that we've observed about Udaipur. It's just very calm, quiet, and time runs slow, which we are loving as city people. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. And we're just going to sit here for a while and enjoy this majestic view by Lake Pichola. We just got a cheese chili toast that looks amazing. Taste. Ooh.
It has those chili flakes.
Yeah. तीखा है, but it's good. दिख तो मस्त रहा है.
But I how they've only used real chili
Yeah.
because the taste बना. बहुत जगह पे क्या करते हैं वो हरीता या चिली मेयो लगाते हैं.
हाँ.
मुझे सिर्फ चिली का टेस्ट है.
Yum.
ट्राई कर.
ओके, सो हम ऐसे ही जा रहे थे बैक टू द होटल, तभी वी स्टम्बल्ड अपॉन दिस शॉप. यहाँ पे बाहर एक्चुअली मैग्नेट्स थे, तो हमने सोचा ठीक है मैग्नेट ले लेते हैं. एंड वी केम इन एंड यहाँ पे हमें मिले चिराग सर who has the most beautiful shop. अगर आपको आर्ट में इंटरेस्ट है, only if you're interested in art, otherwise he will not entertain you, but it is some of the most beautiful art I have ever seen. And I come from an art loving family. मेरे फैमिली में बहुत मेरे आंट्स अंकल्स ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स सब आर्टिस्ट है, विच इज़ वाई हम आई थिंक कितना 45 मिनट्स से तो इधर ही है.
45
एंड ही हैज़ बीन सो काइंड टू शो अस a lot of the pieces he has. फिर भी शायद आपने 10% भी नहीं दिखाया होगा हमें.
Less than 10%.
And I highly recommend कि आप यहाँ पे, I look at this. This represents हाथी कहाँ होते हैं? जयपुर.
Yes.
Jaipur.
Jaipur, horse for Udaipur, and camel for Jaisalmer.
Jaisalmer.
Look at like that. See.
Yeah. The details are immaculate. और ये वाला तो अभी this is the last thing that he's shown us, but it has won my heart इतना सुंदर है. Genuinely, if you are somebody who loves art and you don't come here, you're missing out. Highly recommend. हमारा कुछ plan नहीं था to come here, but I'm so happy we did. Chirag sir, thank you for entertaining us for so long. And yeah, I'll leave all the details in the description box. Check it out and DM me if you have any questions. These are made on seashell.
Yellow.
Look at that. Oh my god. Wow. We are back at a bar. यहाँ पे हम first day पे आए थे सब लोग के साथ. I didn't vlog that day, but I'll show you this place today. This spot cleared up right next to the lake, and we managed to get it.
You can start.
Yes. So here we've got some sourdough with a huge variety of butters, peri-peri fries. This is chicken tempura sushi.
That is Oberoi.
Yeah, from here we can see the Lake Palace and very nice place, very nice food by the way. Highly recommend. If you can, try to book the rooftop, but the 4th floor is equally nice. Hey guys, welcome to the last day. आज actually हम 2 घंटे में एयरपोर्ट के लिए निकल रहे हैं, but just before going we wanted to visit करणी माता मंदिर. यहाँ पे ऊपर it's on a hill and जाने के लिए we have this ropeway. ये वॉइस ओवर मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ while I am editing because इसके बाद I have no footage from the trip. We went up to the मंदिर, took our blessings and then left straight for Udaipur airport because we had to fly back to the UAE on this day. And additionally, मेरी तबीयत थोड़ी सी ख़राब हो गई थी from this point on, so it was a difficult journey back. Nevertheless, we came back safe and sound, had a fantastic time. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!